Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate sales data visualization with Tableau, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by opening Tableau on your computer. Connect to your sales data source by clicking on Connect on the main screen. Choose the appropriate connection type, such as Excel, CSV, or a database. Locate and select your sales data file to import it into Tableau. Once the data is loaded, you'll see a preview in the Data Source tab. Review the data to ensure it's loaded correctly. Next, navigate to the worksheet by clicking on Sheet 1 at the bottom. Begin creating your visualization by dragging and dropping fields onto the rows and columns shelves. For a basic sales dashboard, select dimensions such as product or region. Drag a measure like sales to the columns shelf. To visualize trends over time, place a date dimension on the columns shelf. Adjust the aggregation of your data by clicking on the sales measure and selecting your preferred option, such as Sum or AVG. Customize your visualization type by clicking on the Show Me panel on the right side. Select the chart type that best represents your data, such as bar, line, or pie charts. Once your basic chart is created, you can refine it by adding filters. Drag fields you wish to filter by onto the filters shelf. Select the criteria for your filters to help break down the data as needed. To create a more dynamic dashboard, navigate to the Dashboard tab at the bottom. Click New Dashboard to create a dashboard layout. Begin dragging individual sheets to your dashboard area to display multiple visualizations. Use tiles or containers to organize your dashboard layout neatly. Add interactivity by clicking on the dashboard and selecting Actions from the menu. Create filter actions to allow users to interact with the data visualizations. Choose the source sheet and target sheets for the filter action. Customize the behavior to ensure it aligns with your desired user experience. Once your dashboard is complete, save your work frequently to avoid data loss. Publish your dashboard to Tableau Server or Tableau Public by clicking on Server in the menu. Follow the prompts to export your work and share your automated sales data visualizations with others. Congratulations, you have successfully automated your sales data visualization using Tableau. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.